In the last hour of the market today, February 28, we detected an unusual trade over $100,000 on Mattel Stock, ticker symbol MAT, that will help us answer the question, will Mattel Stock finally trade above $20? Because it currently trades just under 20 at $19.66, and it has been trading under 20 ever since it dropped below 20 after earnings last year in October. You can see here that the highest it has been is about $19.92. Even recently on February 22nd, it never broke above $20, just at $19.92. So $20 is definitely a price level with a strong resistance. So in this video, we will go over this last hour trade in unusual options activity on Mattel to find out if the stock will finally go above $20. If you're not familiar with Mattel, this is a toy company and has many toy brands such as Barbie and Fisher Price and Hot Wheels, as well as many others. It's been around for quite a long time, 1968. Okay, so in the data on the options time and sales tape, we can see this last hour at 3:04 p.m. These 4,400 option contracts paying $35 each. So a quick calculation of the trade costs, 35 times 4,400 is $154,000. It is not as high as the trades that we typically trade on, where we put a lot more capital, but we still trade it because it is still unusual. We typically like to trade trades that have exceeding $1 million or more, because we found that those are higher probability of profit trades. And so if you are interested in those trades, make sure to go to our website to find out how you can gain access to the stocks that have more than $1 million. We'll put a link at the top here where we do this type of analysis work to find out where stocks are headed, either up or down, bullish or bearish. So this $20 strike call here, you can see that these 4,400, they're buying the 20 strike calls that expire March 15. So we can see here that this expires in just about 2 weeks. You can see here the 20 strike calls, and we are also in the position, but we don't position size a lot because, as we mentioned, this is a lower probability of profit trade in comparison to our higher probability of trades that we share on our website. And you can see that the volume today, 5,000, much greater than the open interest of just 556. So we know that these are opening trades. And as we mentioned, they were buying these for about $35 each. And when we analyze this trade, you can see that this is what it looks like on the profit loss diagram. On the y-axis is the profit loss. 0 here. Anything when the lines are above 0, this is profit. If it's below, it is a loss. And on the x-axis, we have the share price of Mattel. So we can see here, as the shares go up, profits increase. As it goes down, where it currently is at $19.66, this becomes a loss. But you can see that the loss is limited here by the amount that we paid, which is $35. but we could potentially gain a lot more than $35. Okay, so this is how options give you the leverage. And so you can see here a positive delta on the Greeks. However, there is a negative theta here, and that is the risk with trading options, that if Mattel stock does not move and break above 20, in fact, it has to break up to $20.35. You can see here, this is our break even here, where this line meets with the 0, because the stock actually has to break above 20, the strike price 20 plus the 35 cents that we paid on these options to actually be profitable at expiration. Okay, so that is the risk with trading options, because if Mattel doesn't break that, it will decay in value, and you can see that this becomes a complete 100% loss if it does not go up by expiration. And so that is the risk with trading options. Even though you can make more than 100% on this trade, there is a risk that Mattel does not trade above 20. Instead, it starts to just trade under 20 because of the strong resistance. And then these options will decay in value to 0. And if there is no management of the trade. So that is what we also do. Not only do we have option strategies to help us reduce this time decay risk, we also manage our trades. So again, if you're interested in our analysis work, in our option strategies, make sure to go to our website. Let us know what you think will happen to Mattel. Will it break 20? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon to be notified of future unusual options activity. Take care and have a great day.